Another raid, but this time in Cape Town by the Department of Labor and Employment. Now, we are seeing pretty much the exact same things that we saw in Johannesburg, right? These people, these illegal foreigners, are hiding in places that are pretty much impossible to even hide in. They are hiding in ceilings, then there's a ceiling within a ceiling, also like good people. These people are criminals, and they wouldn't be hiding like this if they didn't know that they were committing a crime. And this is only one construction site in Cape Town. Imagine all construction sites across South Africa. You pretty much know very well that you're gonna find 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 10 or even 100 undocumented workers. Now, many people will ask, who's hiring these people? Of course, we need to arrest those people too. But then my question is, these people are faced with two options, the employers. They are faced with two options. One is cheaper, one is more expensive. And of course, it's obvious. The more expensive one is hiring a documented worker, hiring a documented South African worker. Because in all honesty, hiring these people that hire these illegal foreigners, pay them using cash, right? Because these people cannot possibly have bank accounts. And these people cannot be possibly paying tax on their income. So a lot of people are supposed to be arrested here. The owner, the HR, all of them are supposed to be arrested and deported, of course. I'm saying we need to make it impossible for any employer to even think about employing an illegal foreigner. Currently, the penalties include fines up to 10,000 rand. 10,000 rand per illegal foreigner. I'm saying 1 million rand per undocumented foreigner. And then they're saying it can get up to 100,000 rand for repeated offenses. I'm saying it has to range from 1 million to 10 million for repeated offenses. Otherwise, 20 years from now, we're still going to be going through the very same things. We are still going to be making the same videos. We are still going to be reacting to the same situations, whereby now the Department of Labor and Employment only chooses to act when they see us, citizens, angry. Let me go back to the immigration white paper and see what exactly it says about if anything has changed about the penalties included for for any employer that employs undocumented foreigners. I'm gonna go there and come back if there's anything new.
Some more. What's this guy's running there? Yeah. Oh. Yeah, you just about saying you must have been in the morning. That one, come. Yeah. Put that one in your legs. You can run inside. Yeah. Run between. Sit. Open legs. Yeah. Like this. Yeah.